Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y200 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by opening your keyboard and tapping on this gear at the top. Now select Theme. Scroll down and tap on those type of dots at the top right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you find the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this sweater. And last but not least, hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same settings. But this time select plus icon under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!